Hello, my name is Anissa Demeter, and I'm your instructor for English 111. I wanted to come to you today with an introductory video to the course, but also to Module 1. So I'm going to share the screen with you of Moodle. Okay, this is what you'll see when you pull this course up in Moodle. When you scroll down, you'll have the announcements section. This is where I will post important announcements, reminders, and a lot of times this automatically goes to your email. So be sure to check your college email daily. And then be sure to complete the official course entry verification assignment. This has to be completed by August 23rd. This is mandatory, and if it is not completed, students will have to be withdrawn from the course. This activity solidifies your registration for the course. So please be sure to complete it first thing before moving on to anything else in the class. Next, you'll have the English 111 syllabus and assignment schedule. Please look over this for course objectives, learning outcomes, book information for the course. Also look at it for policies for me as the instructor and college policies, as well as an assignment schedule. There are no due dates on the assignment schedule. The due dates will be found in Moodle in each module. This is for technology purchases if needed to be able to complete any work for this class. This is another link that gives other policies and resources for accessibility, privacy, and minimum requirements for technology. Here is tutoring that there is on-campus tutoring, and then there's online tutoring. Both are free and are great resources if you feel you need extra assistance with writing your essays. Here are other college policies and student support links. So that's all in the course information tab. Then if you click on Module 1 is the only module open right now. I will be opening the other modules so students can work ahead. I just ask that once you submit one essay for one module, please wait on its feedback before moving on to the next essay or submitting the next essay. That will help iron out problem areas so you don't make the same mistakes on all the essays that are coming up. Module 1. This module will focus on the personal narrative essay. Here are 2 chapters that you'll need to read. You'll need to look at this link about the writing process. This link is anything and everything you need to know about MLA formatting. All of your essays are going to be in MLA format, and then when we actually use research and cite sources, it's also going to be in MLA format. So anything you need to know about how to set up a paper, how to alphabetize sources, how to use hanging indentation, anything, all of that will be in this link. Then you've got the personal narrative process PowerPoint. This is a PowerPoint that actually reveals or shares a story of mine that I had a pretty traumatic event of being attacked by a cat whenever I was younger. So that particular experience is one that I remember very vividly. And this PowerPoint shows my process for thinking through that story to be able to write it and tell it. Here is another link that offers more resources for the personal narrative essay. Please look through those. And also the essay instructions are actually in this link. It'll give you kind of the bare minimum. You're choosing one experience that you've had to be able to tell. And remember, you're not just telling the story, you're showing the story. You want it to be as detailed and descriptive as possible, but it should be just one experience. So you can't really write about your trip to Disney because honestly, there's so many things that happen, so many experiences that you have over in Disney that's overwhelming to write about. So choose one experience. It could be your first day at a new job. It could be your first day of school. It could be a ball game that, a championship ball game that you won and what that experience was like. It could be about a traumatic event, a car accident you were involved in, or, whatever. It could be anything that is one personal experience for you. Now, the assignments, you've got class introductions. You need to click here. This is due this Sunday, and it will basically give you the chance to introduce yourself to your classmates and to me. You can put a picture in there, but also be sure to respond to other students. Get to know other students in the class as well. Then there's an MLA formatting assignment. This is a pretty simple assignment. If you go back up to the MLA formatting documentation link, you can definitely answer these questions in this assignment by looking at those resources. That's due next Sunday. And then you have the personal narrative essay. This essay is due September 3rd. So you have, this week, next, and then the following. It's a 3-week module to complete this personal narrative essay, and you will submit that essay here. Now, be sure you read over the instructions for this essay. They're also, if you click on this link, they're also listed here as well. You want to click on that and look over those instructions and make sure that you are following everything to a T and do exactly what it says to do. Then once I grade it, usually takes me about a week to grade or so. You'll go back to the original submission link, and you can go through the grade book too, but you'll click here and then you'll be able to see, you'll scroll down and you'll see my feedback. I give feedback on every single essay that you write in here. I need you to look at that feedback. I spend a lot of time on feedback. Look at the feedback and see what changes you need to make moving forward so you don't make those same mistakes, or you keep doing what you're doing really well in future essays. So as you can see, that's kind of an introduction to the course, and it's module 1. If you guys have any questions or concerns whatsoever, I'm here. Please join the class in Remind. I send an email out about that. And please just don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything. If a link doesn't work for some reason, just please don't hesitate to reach out. That's what I'm here for. So you can reach me through email or Remind. Thank you.